Have you ever wondered how tiny seeds turn into big, leafy plants? It's like a magical transformation right before our eyes. Let's dive into the world of plant growth and explore how it happens. It all starts with a seed. Imagine, a seed is like a treasure chest, holding tiny instructions on how to become a plant. When you plant a seed in soil, give it water and sunshine, it wakes up and begins to sprout. This is the first step of plant growth called germination. As the seed wakes up, its outside shell breaks open. From within, a tiny root starts stretching into the soil, looking for water and nutrients. This root is the plant's first helper, gathering everything it needs to grow strong. Next, the seed sends up a shoot towards the light. This shoot contains young leaves, which start to open once they reach the surface. Leaves are like solar panels, catching sunlight and using it to make food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis, where plants turn sunshine into energy. Under the ground, roots continue to grow and spread. They anchor the plant to the soil so it doesn't tip over, and they absorb minerals to help the plant stay healthy. Above the ground, the stem of the plant grows tall and strong, holding up the leaves where they can catch as much sunlight as possible. As the plant grows, it gets bigger and starts producing more leaves, flowers, or even fruits. Each part of the plant has a special job. Flowers often bring in bees and other insects, who help the plant by spreading pollen so new seeds can form. Plants grow thanks to the cycle of life, with seeds turning into sprouting shoots, roots absorbing nutrients, and leaves catching the sun. With water, sunlight, and nutrients, plants become a beautiful part of our world, giving us air to breathe, food to eat, and spaces filled with life. So the next time you see a plant, think of all the amazing steps it went through to become what you see today.